Hi everyone, welcome back to long time after I will meet you today. So in this video, I will discuss semester 3 session 2023 to 25 one by one. So CC paper 10 objective question and also provides full means objective question and subjective question one by one.
नमस्कार.
So wait and watch. So let's start. Group A, you are understand that 20 marks. I know. So first question is here. One Bohr magnitude is approximately. So B question is absolutely right. 10 to the power 23 am square means Bohr magnitude is proportional to E h cut square by 2 me is proportional to 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 20 joule Tesla, which is SI unit of ampere into meter square, is approximately is 9.27 into 10 to the power 24 ampere into meter square is approximately 10 to the power minus 20 ampere into meter square. So first question I will discuss. Next question number 2 here. You see this Si means silicon, atomic number is 14, has 2 electrons in the unfilled 3p cells. According to Hund rules, the ground state of Si is. So D is correct answer. 3p1 is 100% absolutely right. We know that Si has configuration is 1 square 2s square 2p6 3s square 3p square for 2 electron in 3p. Hund rule give maximum multiplicity s is equal to 1, so triple state 3p and with L is equal to 1. So J is equal to L minus S is equal to 0, 1, 2. For less than half filled cell, J is equal to L minus S is equal to 1. So I hope you understand. There are more explanations. Question number 3. S value for a state 2D 3 by 2 is given by. So you can see this. So B answer is correct 1 by 2. Why? So in spectroscopic notation 2s plus 1 L J, here 2s plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to s is equal to 1 by 2. We know that we know that. So next question is here for two possible value of total angular momentum J resulting for the addition of two angular momentum J1 is equal to 1 and J2 is equal to 2 R. So this is question number 4. So in my point of view 1 2 3 is correct because explanation is J1 minus J2 J1 plus J2 means 1 2 3 is correct. And question number 5, in a very strong magnetic field the splitting of spectral lines is normal. This effect is called, so this effect is called, you know that, Paschen back effect, Zeeman effect, Stark effect. So Paschen back effect is right. Any problem to verify on according to you. Next question. Question number C and question number D. Raman effect is not right. Question number 6. In a variation producing a change in electric dipole moment of molecule yield. So means Raman spectra, infrared spectra, ultraviolet spectra, and X-ray spectra. So what is the correct? Means infrared spectra is correct. Means B. Can you remove that? B is correct. Okay. And question number 7 is here. The energy separation between two consecutive stock line in Raman scattering depend on. So energy separation between vibrational level in the excited state, wavelength of incident light. And question number C, energy separation means alag between vibrational levels in the ground state. So question number 7 is C, energy separation between vibrational level in the ground state. Why? Because stock line are correspond to transition between vibrational levels of the ground state. We know that we are studying these topics. So option number C is correct, but you can verify answer. But I must have approved that this answer is right. Correction any questions? Question number 8 is here. In infrared band spectrum of a diatomic molecule, frequency interval between the two successive lines of either side band origin is. So he asked band origins, means question number 8 ask. So we know that 2 BH is correct, means 2 BH is right. Why? Rotational line expressing in IR spectra is 2B, but H is right because according to theory we are study. And question number 9. The following is not a candidate material for laser source in the fiber option. So helium neon laser, no. Helium neon is not correct. We know that in previous I study helium neon laser, ruby laser, but helium neon laser is best laser. But answer is not this laser. Phosphorus is correct. Phosphorus is correct. Okay. So come to the next sections. Question number 10 here. You wait and watch. Any problem? No. Question number 10. Laser beam is highly intense, monochromatics and coherent, can be used in a monochromatics light and the experiment for the phenomena of. So he asked, this is related to light, so you can choose answer. I know interference of light is correct because coherence is essential for interference. So interference without not provide monochromatic light. We have single slit experiment, double slit experiment has proved that. So come to the theory parts. Group B, write the short notes of any four. You know, understand. Only for explain the question what is asked. So previous years. Explain the quantizations of magnetic moment. Very easy. Explain the Paschen Beck effect. Very easy. What is boron Oppenheimer explanation? He is father of atomic bomb. Boron Oppenheimer. What is the significance? Means importance, mahatma in the context of molecules. Question 5. Discuss the principle of spectra of hydrogen molecules. Question number 6. Explain the origin of stocks and anti-stock lines in Raman spectrum. Question number 7. Explain the homogeneous and inhomogeneous broadening in spontaneously imitate light. Which examples? Means some untouchables. So question number C here, long answer type question, only for 3 question answer. So here, discuss the spin orbit interaction energy for singles non-penetrating valence electrons, drive expression for land splittings, G factor, and explain the anomalous G-band effect. This topic is very important of sodium D lines with it helps. Question number 10. Discuss the quantum theory of Raman effect. How can the structure of a molecule can be determined for its Raman spectra? Question number 11. What are the Einstein coefficient? How are they related to each other? Question number 12. What do you mean by laser rate equations? Using laser rate equation, deduce condition and population inversion in 4 level system. So I hope CC paper 10 will end here. This is a symbol of end. So paper CC 11